The galactic alignment, take one. In 2 days, on Friday at 11:30 in the morning, there's going to be a galactic alignment. This also marks the time when the Mayan long count calendar comes to an end. A lot of people are saying that it might even be the end of the world. We don't know. But what we do know is that there will be a galactic alignment. What this means is that our planet Earth, our sun, and the center of the galaxy, which is a huge black hole, also known as a singularity, will be in perfect alignment. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to see this where we are. We're in the northern hemisphere. We're not going to get to see the light show. If you're living in Australia, you'll probably get a front row seat. What basically it comes down to is that the black hole at the center of the galaxy is what holds the galaxy together. Without it, we fly apart. And this is going to be in perfect alignment. The Mayans were a funny bunch in that they came up with this terrific calendar, except they didn't know what the wheel was. So a lot of the things that they invented aren't really that useful. A lot of things the Egyptians invented weren't all that useful either, but they were a little more useful in that you could build something with them. It was more mathematical, and which later gave rise to physics. But this long count calendar is very much like their religion, which is fairly grim. They believed in a sun god, and this god was always hungry, and it ate our blood. And this is suggestive of something vampiric, which, if you think about it, out in space is a good place for vampires to live, because there isn't much sunlight there. So anyways, the supreme irony of it is that they believed that as soon as this singularity at the center of the galaxy, which they referred to as a black Earth, wakes up, it's going to be very hungry. And, more about that later. But the singularity itself is gravity that is so dense, not even light can escape. And you can see the halo around it, which is why it's like a black Earth, or it looks like a very huge solar eclipse. And the halo that goes around it is the event horizon. And the irony of all of that is, as you get close to it, time slows down. When you go into the event horizon, time exactly the same as the long count calendar stops.